everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're gonna look at a rugged case by NOMAD. This is for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay, taking a look at the packaging, you just pull from the top and then you'll have access to the case. Very simple. Just pull like so, and here's the rugged case. Briefly going over some specs for the rugged case, it has a matte fingerprint resistant PET backplate, polycarbonate frame, TPU bumpers and camera ring, a microfiber interior, fortified corner bumpers, anodized aluminum buttons, 15 feet drop protection. It has raised edges to protect the screen and the camera. It's MagSafe compatible and it comes in 3 colors, black, ultra orange, Atlantic blue, and it's compatible with the iPhone 15 line. So taking a look at the case, this is the Atlantic blue version. Again, it has the PET backplate, polycarbonate frame with the TPU bumpers and the camera ring as well. You have the microfiber interior and you also have the MagSafe magnet. You can see the cutouts on the bottom for the charging port and the speakers, and then the buttons on the side is anodized aluminum. Inserting the phone in the case is easy. Just start off with one side, just push like so, and there it is. I do have a glass screen protector here, and you can see the edges are raised so it still protects the glass. And then looking at the back, you can see the protection for the camera. And the buttons respond well here. And then the cutouts on the bottom. And then laying it flat, you can see that it's flat, it doesn't wobble. So it's even all around in the back and protects the camera. It feels good in the hand. It doesn't slide. There's good grip. So let's see how it does on the charger. Okay, I have the base one MagSafe charger by NOMAD. I've reviewed this as well, and I put the link in the description box if you're interested. So let's see how it does on the charger. Very strong magnet. It just picks up, and you can see it's charging, and it stays into place. Okay, so that's a quick look at the NOMAD rugged case for your iPhone 15. Comes in multiple colors, has a rugged feel with a 15-foot drop protection, nice anodized buttons, and it's MagSafe compatible. So if you're interested in a rugged case, I've left the link in the description box below, so go ahead and check it out.
If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.